Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Okay. Hey loves, welcome back to the Mixed Edition. If this is your first time here and you love beauty, you love fragrance, you love luxury, you love all things lifestyle, then this is your channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get more of that type of content. Hang out with me and I hang out with you down in the comments. All right guys, you already see by the title of what it is. This is New Notes Latte de Cherry, okay? Look, I was trying to get it together for Valentine's Day, so I just been buying everything up, all the new releases. I don't know when this was released in 2023. I don't know if it was in the second quarter or what quarter, but it doesn't sound like it was like November, December. It sounds like it was earlier that this was released. So I'm just now getting around to it, and the reviews that I have seen on it, they got me super hyped. They got me super pumped to try this fragrance. So we are going to unbox it together, guys, and we're going to get into it. Alright. Okay, right real good, right real good. Okay. Got the lips. Right away, I'm here for the packaging, guys. I should have probably changed my lip color. Okay, changed it to cherry red. I might just do that if I wasn't so ready to smell this fragrance, guys. All right. Okay, guys, let's jump into it. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce. It's a 50 ml. I think this is the largest size that it comes in anyway. Look at the packaging. Super cute. Lips just dripping, and I just hope it's giving me that, okay? I'm looking at my phone so I don't get it wrong, guys. But let's jump into the notes. The top notes are cherry, almond, red berries, and sweet orange. Middle notes are spices, jasmine, ylang ylang, and Turkish rose. And the base notes are tonka bean, vanilla, musk, sandalwood, amber, and vetiver. Guys, the packaging, everything is great, okay? It even got like the embossed new notes at the bottom. And it tells you that this is an extrait de perfume, so this is like the strongest of the strongest, okay? So I am hoping for everything. Look how pretty. Oh, just sexy, sexy. Oh, it's giving the vibes, guys. The main accords is sweet, fruity, cherry, vanilla, almond, nutty, powdery, woody, warm, spicy, and amber. So we is about to do our first sniff test, our first impression, guys. I'm so excited. Is this magnetic? No, it's not magnetic, but it's a nice top. Okay. I'm gonna have to spray this on. Let me spray this on real quick. Hold on. When I initially smelled it, guys, I just got a big powdery, almondy, cherry blast of scents and mixture. I was trying to see what it smells like on the skin. Let me spray it one more time. So that's 2 sprays. Yes, I'm smelling cherry. I'm smelling the almond. I'm smelling the vanilla. That's what I'm smelling. Okay, I'm smelling the woody, spicy notes. It don't really tell you what the woody notes are. Okay. The vetiver. Wow, this is very different, guys. This is very different. Oh, wow. What I was expecting was that tonka bean to really like sing in this fragrance along with the cherry. I know that the almond and cherry, like it always, like it's a good balancer. It's a good, you know, to tone down the fruitiness of the cherry. But sometimes when they put almonds in with the cherry, it just overpowers the cherry. And that's what I kind of feel like this is doing. But it smells good, guys. I can't even explain it. I'm smelling like I'm not I'm not getting that Turkish rose. I'm definitely not getting the Turkish rose because believe you me, I am a rose connoisseur. Like I know rose when I smell it. So this is like the rose is really in the back. I am picking up on some of the jasmine and the ylang ylang. The musk, I'm getting a tiny bit. So don't worry if you're not really a musk fan because that's not really the star of the show. What would I say the star of the show is? The vetiver. I'm getting that sweet orange, almond, red berries. I was hoping the cherry was going to sing a lot louder, a lot louder. But I'm not mad at this fragrance at all. It's just not blowing me over the moon. But again, guys, this is only my first impression. So I have to play with this. I have to wear this. I have to see what else it can do. I have a lot to do with this fragrance before I can like give you a full recommendation. I will just say that my first impression is that it's unique. It's very mysterious. It's very mysterious because you almost can't even explain it. Like you almost can't even explain it because when you hear latte, you are expecting that tonka bean and that cherry to be the star, but it's really more of the orange blossom that I'm picking up on my skin, the fruitiness of the red berries, and the vetiver. And that's making this a pretty unique combination. The vetiver, oh my goodness, it's really doing something in this fragrance. I don't know if anybody else is like picking that up, but the vetiver is really strong in this fragrance, at least on me, on my skin. The vetiver is definitely giving me a lot of earthiness. It's almost as if like you plucked these cherries, you plucked them out of the ground, you know, or tree or wherever, okay? Like, because that vetiver just like puts you in the zone of like earthy, outside, fresh, healthy grass. I don't know how to explain it, guys. But it's nice though. It's just not what I was expecting. It's really unique and it's not like any other cherry, for sure. This is this yeah, this is not like any other cherry. Okay, so as it's drying down a little bit more, I'm starting to get that cherry, but that vetiver is loud. It is singing. I typically enjoy fragrances that are linear. Like you spray it out, that's what you're getting the whole entire time. I don't need a whole rack of surprises, okay? Like I don't need for me to spray something before I leave the house and then when I get to wherever I'm going, it's a whole different fragrance. That's not really me. I like linear fragrances, but this one definitely is not going to be linear. This is definitely going to take you through a journey because as it continues to dry down, I am now starting to smell the cherry. I am now starting to smell the almond. At first, when I'm spraying it out, I'm smelling the red berries, the orange notes, and the vetiver. I'm not really picking up on the cherry as much. As it's drying down, the cherry is coming through a little bit more. I'm still getting the red berry notes. I'm getting a little bit of the vanilla. I'm not really getting the tonka bean, but the vetiver is singing. So if you don't like vetiver, you probably, yeah, you might want to get a sample first before you just hop out and buy it. And speaking of cost, this retails for $220, but all the fragrance websites, they have been having so many sales because I was able to get 30% off of this fragrance. It came to like $160 with shipping, so you can't beat that. Okay, you can't beat that. So from $220 to $160, yes, we're gonna take it every time. That vetiver, and it's powdery, like it's continuing to morph. The more I stay on camera and the more I let this dry down, it's continuing to morph. Okay. Let me spray it one more time so I can see what the opening is. Yeah, that opening right away, you are getting that powdery, that orange, the red berries. You're getting the vetiver for sure. I'm not really getting that tonka bean. And then as it dries down, the cherry starts to come in a little bit. The almond note is definitely there. And vetiver. But when you first spray it out, it is very powdery and sweet and seductive. Yeah, I think I'm gonna really like this. I think I'm gonna really enjoy this. This is definitely date night. This is definitely date night. I don't see this during the daytime. Like, I feel like this is sexy night vibes, sexy night on the town. Yeah, so you could be mystique and mysterious, and then people ain't gonna know what the hell to do with you. They're not gonna know what you got on, because I don't know what I got on. Alright guys, so that's my first impression of the New Notes Latte di Cherry. I think this is going to be a great add to my collection, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and thank you for watching. Mwah.